Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends onto your Uno game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uno game on your device and then wait until it is fully loaded. Once the game is loaded, you might be asked to log into your account using your Facebook or your Google Play. After logging into your account using either one of these options, you will end up within the main menu, which looks like this. Now, once you are inside the main menu, if you wish to invite your friends in order to play together with them, then click on the Friends option at the bottom. Once you tap on this, you will find Invite Friends at the bottom right. Click on this button and now you will be able to see your invite code. You can tap on the Copy option, which will copy your invite code onto your clipboard, and you can directly share this invite code with your friends. You can also use your Facebook Messenger in order to invite your friends. Tap on the invite option and this will open up your Facebook Messenger, from which you can search for anyone whom you wish to send a message. After you find your person whom you wish to invite, tap on the send button alongside their user ID and your invite will be sent to this user right away. Once the user taps on your invite link, they will be invited to your game and they will be added as your friend as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends on the Uno game in order to play together. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.